Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Mittal. Now I am going to talk about how to think any sentence. After thinking this sentence, what should take decisions. Okay, and I think if you anyone first time new learner, it will be helpful for everyone this video. Okay, so right now friends, I have some example. For my first example is, if you and your friends, suppose you and your friends have seen a movie. Okay, after finish this movie, we are come into home. Okay, after that, your friend first time you write down in your WhatsApp or notebook. Okay, and you have called your friend. Okay, and together each of you you conversation that how is the movie. Okay, how was the movie, how was the direction in this movie. Okay, what is the action. Okay, and say dressing style. Okay, and lots of so many questions have done. Okay, so you write down in your notebook. If you do if this thing, I think it will be best for everyone. Okay, so actually I know that my language, my speaking is very poor. Okay, but I do not know how many times do need if I improve my English, spoken English. Okay, but I have a question for everyone. Okay, if you any story in your mind. Okay, suppose movie, you have seen movie and you have create a story by you. Okay, any sentence making by you. So you speak yourself. If you know any friend, okay, so you speak yourself in front of mirror. Okay, and yourself, speak yourself. Okay, and after speaking you realize that how many times did I stop. Okay, how much has I hesitate. Okay, what's problem has going if I making this sentence. Okay, lots of questions. Okay, but if you try to think. Okay, so it will be best for everyone. Okay, I am continuously trying. Okay, so I do not know if I improve my speaking, how many times did I need. But sometimes I realize that I cannot speak by me. Okay, but gradually I understand that if I speak, if I improve my speaking English, so it will be best for me. Okay, so actually many of questions have in your mind. Okay, but when I speak with anyone, why I do not understand, I cannot speak. Okay, so friends, actually for everyone I suggestion you and also myself. Okay, I negative. I am negative also. I do not understand why